A Thanksgiving transformation, flavor meets nutrition. This year, let's celebrate with a feast that not only delights our taste buds, but also nourishes our bodies. Thanksgiving, it's a time for family, friends, and food. A time to come together and share in the joy of the season. We all love those classic dishes, the mashed potatoes, the stuffing, the pies. But this year, let's add a twist. Let's make it a healthy Thanksgiving. One where every bite is packed with nutrients. Don't worry, we won't sacrifice flavor. In fact, we're enhancing it. We're simply swapping in some fresh, wholesome ingredients. Ingredients that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Get ready for a guilt-free feast. One that leaves you feeling satisfied and energized. Imagine this, a table laden with vibrant dishes, each one a feast for the eyes and the palate. Think roasted turkey, golden brown and juicy, perfectly seasoned and cooked to perfection. Picture colorful salads bursting with fall flavors, crisp, fresh and full of life. Envision the sweet aroma of pumpkin and spices filling the air, a scent that brings warmth and comfort. You can have it all without the heavy feeling afterwards. Enjoy every moment, every bite. This Thanksgiving, ditch the processed stuff, say goodbye to artificial ingredients, embrace the goodness of nature's bounty. Fresh, organic and straight from the earth. We're talking fresh herbs, seasonal vegetables and whole grains, ingredients that are as wholesome as they are flavorful. These simple swaps make a world of difference. They elevate your meal and your health, and guess what? They taste even better. So let's make this Thanksgiving the best one yet. Savory Delights Healthier takes on classic dishes. This holiday season, let's give our favorite dishes a nutritious twist without sacrificing flavor. Let's start with the star of the show, the turkey. A healthier turkey can still be the centerpiece of your feast. Instead of basting it in butter, try a rub of fresh herbs and a touch of honey. This not only adds flavor, but also keeps it moist. Rosemary, thyme, and a drizzle of honey create a crispy skin and juicy meat. The combination is simply irresistible. Your kitchen will smell divine. Next up, sides. Let's make them as delightful as the main course. Ditch the heavy casseroles and opt for roasted vegetables. They are colorful, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Brussels sprouts are a Thanksgiving must-have. They are packed with vitamins and can be incredibly tasty. Toss them with a bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and some chopped pecans. The nuts add a delightful crunch. Roast until tender and slightly caramelized. Yum! The caramelization brings out their natural sweetness. Craving mashed potatoes? We've got you covered, but let's make it a bit lighter. Cauliflower mash is a delicious low-carb alternative. It's creamy and satisfying. Simply steam cauliflower florets until tender, then blend with a little bit of unsweetened almond milk and seasonings. You can add garlic for extra flavor. You won't even miss the potatoes. It's a perfect side dish that complements any main course. Now, let's talk cranberry sauce. A homemade version is always better. Skip the canned stuff and make your own. It's surprisingly easy and much more flavorful. Combine fresh cranberries, orange zest, a touch of maple syrup, and a pinch of cinnamon. These ingredients create a perfect balance of sweet and tart. Simmer until the cranberries burst and thicken. The aroma will fill your kitchen with holiday cheer. The flavor is bright, tangy, and oh so good. It's the perfect accompaniment to your Thanksgiving feast. Sweet endings, guilt-free desserts for a festive finish. No Thanksgiving feast is complete without dessert. It's the perfect way to end a meal shared with loved ones. But who says dessert can't be healthy? You can indulge without the guilt. This year, try a no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. It's a delightful twist on a classic favorite. It's creamy, dreamy, and packed with pumpkin spice flavor. Perfect for the season. Simply combine a mixture of low-fat cream cheese, pumpkin puree, and a touch of maple syrup. These ingredients make it both delicious and nutritious. Pour it into a graham cracker crust and chill. It's that easy. Top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a festive touch. It adds a bit of holiday magic. Another delicious and healthy dessert option is baked apples. They're a warm and comforting treat. Core apples and stuff them with a mixture of chopped nuts, oats, cinnamon, and a drizzle of maple syrup. This combination is both hearty and wholesome. Bake until tender and the filling is bubbly. The aroma will fill your home with the scent of fall. These desserts are light, satisfying, and won't leave you feeling weighed down. Enjoy the festive season with these guilt-free treats. Embrace a healthier Thanksgiving. This Thanksgiving, let's redefine tradition. Let's embrace a healthier way of celebrating. By making a few simple swaps, we can enjoy all the flavors of Thanksgiving without sacrificing our well-being. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's all about finding delicious and nutritious ways to enjoy our favorite foods. So, gather your loved ones, put on your aprons, and let's get cooking. And don't forget to share your own healthy Thanksgiving recipes with us. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone!